Writing style informative. Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating and somewhat melancholic world of Indian shopping malls. Once the bustling heart of retail excitement, many of these iconic structures are now on the brink of extinction. Let's start with a success story. Consider the Select Citywalk Mall in Delhi. Opened in 2007, it's nestled in Saket, a plush area in South Delhi. This mall is a real winner, boasting a near-perfect occupancy rate. With 500,000 square feet of leasable space, it's a vibrant hub for both international and domestic brands. But not all malls share this thriving fate. Across India, many malls are struggling. They're like giants on shaky legs, teetering on the edge of relevance as consumer habits shift dramatically. The digital age, with its online shopping surge, has especially hit hard. Physical stores are finding it increasingly tough to keep up. Real estate experts like those from Knight Frank point out a grim trend. Malls are dying. It's a slow, almost painful process to watch. These once cherished spaces are gradually turning into ghost malls, empty, echoing corridors replacing the lively chatter and footfalls of shoppers. What's causing this decline? It's a mix of factors: high maintenance costs, the rise of e-commerce, and sometimes just bad location or poor management. It seems inevitable, like the sunset of an era, as these commercial behemoths make way for new forms of retail. And yet, the memories linger. For many of us, malls were more than just shopping destinations. They were where we hung out with friends, watched movies, and made memories. In their heyday, malls were a cultural phenomenon. They held a special place in the urban landscape, a symbol of modernity and leisure. As we witness the fading glory of these retail giants, it's a reminder of how change is the only constant. Maybe it's just the natural order of things. Everything has its season, and perhaps the era of the traditional mall is drawing to a close. What do you think? Can malls reinvent themselves to stay relevant, or is this truly the end of an era? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this dive into the rise and fall of Indian malls interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how our world is changing. Thanks for watching.